What's going on, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to be bringing you an overview on these Rockslide Engineering step sliders for the Bronco. So right off the bat, what makes the step sliders unique compared to any other slider or step on the market is that it's a combination of both. So it is actually a truly functional rock slider, but it's also a drop step that'll help you in getting in and out of the vehicle. And the way that it does this is by deploying the step as soon as the door is open, and then once you close your door, it pulls it right back up against the actual frame of the slider, so that way you have a nice sturdy surface that the truck can kind of push against or slide over rocks on. And the big benefit here is that obviously with a system like this, you don't have the drawbacks of just a regular drop step where you're going to lose some ground clearance and some breakover angle, and there's going to be a chance that they'll hang up and catch on the trail. But you also get the benefit of having a true slider, and you aren't sacrificing not having a step at all. Now, as far as the functionality of the steps is concerned, like I said, they'll deploy once you open the door, and when you do this install, you'll find that you'll need to install a little sensor and a magnet. The sensor is going to go kind of underneath the sill plate or next to the sill plate inside of the door, and then the actual magnet will go on the door itself, so that way it reads once it's open or closed. And you'll have them on all four doors, in this case with a 4-door Bronco, or just on the 2 front doors, obviously, if you only have a 2-door Bronco. But the benefit is that because it can read at all 4 sides, you can open just the back door and have the step deploy, and then close just the back door and have it come up, and the same for every other door, so you're not dependent on the driver operating the steps just to get in and out. Moving on to talking about the actual materials and the strength of these steps overall, you'll find that the drop step that comes out of the slider can hold up to 600 pounds, so you could have 2 people pretty easily standing on this and getting in or out at the same time without it being an issue, and you can also just stand on it to reach up and get onto the roof of the truck. And then of course the actual slider part that's bolted to the body is capable of holding the entire vehicle's weight on it, which is why it works as a functional slider, but it also provides kind of a second tier to the step where you can get a little bit higher, and I found that standing on top of the slider section is really nice to get to the roof if you're trying to undo the top and pull something back, or if you have a hard top with a roof rack option, then something like this could be very handy for you. To provide the strength that's needed for a step like this, Rockslide is using 10 gauge steel for most of the primary construction, and that's all been powder coated, but then some of the internals that are a little less critical to the actual strength of the slider have been converted to aluminum, so that way you can save a little bit of weight, and they're not quite as heavy as they would be if the entire thing was constructed out of steel. Now, on top of that, another big benefit here is that Rockslide is using smart motors within the steps. And what that means is that, firstly, these motors have pinch protection. So if you're concerned about your kids or even yourself getting an arm or a leg caught in the step and having it close, it's not going to injure you or lock up holding your limb in place or whatever's caught in the step. It'll actually come up, hit whatever the object is and pause, and then open back up to release it. So that's going to make for a little bit of peace of mind if you have your kids coming in and out of this thing every day. Now, with that, the other thing that the smart motor provides is the ability to reduce damage to the step itself, because it can kind of sense if the step is hitting something or if it comes down on an object. So say you open it up and there's a rock in the way or something underneath the truck and the step hits it, it won't just continually push against that object until it breaks or wears out the motor. It'll actually stop and retract and pull away from it. This stuff just gives you a little bit of peace of mind in using the step in day-to-day life, or certainly in off-road scenarios, without having to worry about breaking stuff off. Now, the next thing I want to talk about real quick is the install process on these steps. And I will say that we didn't shoot a full install video here, but I did do the install myself, and having done it, I can say that Rockslide does provide a really nice manual for you to work off of, and it's a little intimidating when you see it at first because it's quite a few pages, so it's fairly thick, but it does have full color pictures and really good explanations of every single step along the way, and it explains the wiring to the brackets to everything in between, calibrating and all of that. So just make sure that you're patient and that you read carefully through it, and you shouldn't have a whole lot of trouble. But I will also say that Rockslide estimates about 3 hours for you to get these installed, and in my experience, it took a bit longer than that. Now, part of that may be because it was just me doing the install and I didn't have a helper, but if you have a friend, it's going to make things a little easier because obviously you can start work on both sides at the same time, or you'll have somebody to help you lift these into place. In my case, I actually had to use jack stands to support it, but it wasn't the end of the world. It can be done. Just be ready to spend a weekend on it to get everything working properly and fitting the way that you want. The last thing I want to cover here is going to be the accessories for these steps, and these can be bought at the same time as purchasing the steps themselves, or they can be bought later down the road and added on. but I will say that typically it's better to purchase them at the time that you're doing the steps, because obviously if you're already turning wrenches to install these, you can install everything at once and it's a little less hassle. The two accessories that I have installed on the truck behind me here are going to be the LED light kit and the door delete kit, but the third accessory, which is not installed but we'll still show you guys, is going to be the skid plates, and those basically act as a second skin around the actual slider section of the step, just to give it a little bit more rock protection and some additional durability. The LED light kit, as you'd imagine, is just a simple set of LED lights that can be plugged into the harness that you already ran to power the steps, and you basically attach them within the body of the slider pointing downward. That's going to project down onto the step when it opens and gives you a little bit more visibility at night when you pop these things open. It also looks pretty cool just because it has kind of an underglow effect when it's open and you can see the step deployed. So that's one of those ones that's a simple upgrade that I think a lot of people will like. And then probably my favorite of all of these is the door delete kit. Obviously, because the Bronco has a removable top and removable doors, if you pull the doors off, the sensors are going to read as open and the steps will stay deployed. But the door delete kit fixes this by adding another separate harness that can be tied into the main harness that Rockslide gives you, and it adds an additional switch that'll mount down by the base of the seat. This switch basically gives you the ability to walk up to the truck with the steps closed, push the button, the steps will deploy, you can get in, and then while you're sitting inside, you can easily reach down by the seat, push the button again, and it'll pull the steps back up. Now, the one tiny drawback here is that the button is only available on the driver and passenger side and the front doors, so on a four-door truck, the people in the rear won't have access to deploy the steps unless they reach around and push the button from the front, but really not the end of the world and a pretty good solution so that you can still pull the doors off and use your Bronco. Well, folks, that's going to be a wrap on this product overview for the Rockslide step sliders, and hopefully you found this video helpful. It should give you a little bit of an idea of what to expect if you're going to run a set of these on your Bronco. And if you're interested in picking these up for yourself, we'll have links down in the description that are going to shoot you over to our website for both the two-door and the four-door versions. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.